Take a look at this, my screen here. You're going to be seeing that a whole lot of persons are actually earning free USDT here, all right? So this is the leaderboard of Floxigrow here, okay? Now, I personally came across this particular project just 2 days ago, okay? So you can see some persons on the leaderboard here. This guy has earned 200 USDT so far here. This one 68 USDT, 64, 62. Uh, but for me, I just checked in and you can see I've earned just 0.2 USDT here. Okay, this is me here. Okay. Now, let me quickly show you how this thing actually works. It's a Telegram bot. Okay. So you can see this is my Telegram on a desktop. Okay. Now, if you are using the mobile, is all the same. Okay. I'm just showing you this on my desktop to make it kind of clearer. Okay. When you click here, it's just going to come up here this way. Okay. Let's wait for it. Okay. So you can see do task, get you USDT. So you can see this is how the app is just going to launch up for you. Okay. So how this thing actually works is that you're going to join them on Telegram, okay? As you can rightly see here, I joined them here on Telegram, okay? If I take this thing out here, you can see here, this is Telegram, okay? So uh, you're going to be completing tasks, okay? You're going to be carrying out tasks and you'll be able to earn on this platform. Now, I don't have any affiliation with this platform. I don't know um, the convener or the owner of the platform, all right? I'm just someone that is online trying to hustle, okay, and make some if you like, some money for myself, okay? So I came across this particular platform, all right? And if you can check up here, you can see presently Floxigrow has over 9,663 subscribers on their Telegram, okay? So all you need to do is to fulfill some tasks, okay? As you can rightly see here, you see this particular task here, it says follow Benguit on Twitter, okay? Slots, they have just 100 slots here, okay? Are you going to be earning 0.04 USDT? Now, what I always tell people if you want to join this kind of a project is this. You can just create, like for me, I just created a different Twitter account, okay? Now, let me quickly show you different kind of tasks that they have here, okay? So that you get full understanding of how this thing actually work. Now, if you come to their task here, okay? If you check up here, you're going to see different tasks here. So this one, they say you should follow this person on TikTok, okay? Then this one, you're going to be following this other person here on TikTok. Also, you're going to be earning 0.03 USDT. That is how you keep accumulating those USDT. Now, remember, it does not even cost you anything to just follow somebody on X, follow somebody on Twitter, follow somebody on TikTok, follow somebody on Instagram. Okay, so you can also see Instagram and all manner, all different platforms. You can see all the tasks here you can follow. Then if they say they're going to be dropping a coin, okay, that is called Flozy coin in the nearest future. If you check up here, you can see my USDT here. They're going to see FG coin here, okay. I have 3.2 of the Floxy growth coin here. Now, I don't really have first-hand information about the coin, but from what I heard, very soon they are going to be launching the coin. Okay, so you can keep accumulating this coin by checking in. You can see their daily check-in here. Okay, you can keep coming here and be checking in every single day, and you will be accumulating this coin. Now, when you talk about the withdrawal of this USDT you're going to be earning here, I have not withdrawn, but I have seen some videos of persons withdrawing from the platform. Okay, so you can see the platform is relatively new, okay, just running since 32 days here, and you can see the total reward that they've given out is 15.32k USDT, and total tax is 677. So you can also come up here and check these things out. Okay, now remember, this kind of a project cannot make you rich overnight. Okay, it's a passive kind of project. Now, imagine for this kind of persons to have accumulated 268, 64, 62, 58 USDT. They must have been here passively. Probably whenever you have free time, you just come up here, you do one or two tasks, and you keep accumulating. Okay, that is what I intend to do with this particular project. It's not something I'm going to be taking as a full-time hustle, okay, but it's something I'm just going to come up here once in a while whenever I have the time, and I'm just going to carry out those tasks that I have here, okay. It's not going to take me 10, 20 minutes. I can just run all those tasks, okay. Then, if you want to join them, the link is going to be in the description. Okay, you can join, or you can just find the link anywhere you can find the link and you can join. Okay, but all I know and what I'm saying is that is another passive way of how you can actually earn online. Okay, and also for the coin that they say is going to be launching, you never can tell. This kind of a project might just decide to go big tomorrow, and this coin will become something very, very big. As you can rightly see here. Okay, this is my own here. All right, so whatever you're going to be doing with this decision, this information I've passed across here is absolutely on you. Okay, but the good news is that you're not actually investing anything here. All right, you're not putting your money into anything here. All these persons you see come here to give task, they are just trying to grow their own social media presence. Okay, so they pay some token. I believe they pay some money to the platform. Then the platform share it with its users. Okay, so that is how it actually works. Remember what I said again. It's actually a passive income revenue system. Okay, so it's not something that's a full-time job. All right, so you can see the tasks I've completed so far. Now, if you want to check it out, you can go ahead and check it out. Okay, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, do take care of yourself. Bye bye for now. Okay, so let me quickly show you how this thing actually works. Okay, so if you come down here after you join through the link, okay, then you're just going to come up here. You're going to click on this button here. All right, let me show you how it's going to launch the app. Okay.